Welcome everyone, welcome to another episode of Boki's Auto Detailing. This is what we'll be working on today, a BMW 320i, the F30 range. This vehicle is in a good condition, it's well taken care of, but it's been to the body shop, it just needs some refinement here and there. There are bed droppings which left some nasty etching. Moving into the interior, this car is actually clean. The leathers are clean. The ceiling was a little bit dull, needed some revamp. There's a couple of stains on the leather seats that we needed to sort out, and we definitely did knock them out. There's the stain. I wonder what that is. Yeah, but no worries, we'll sort that out. But let's have a quick look at the ceiling. The ceiling is dirty. It would greatly benefit from an interior detail. The B pillars. For a daily driven car, this car is actually not in that bad of a condition. Right, let's get cracking. First things first, wheels. Apply a good amount of wheel cleaner, let it saturate, and just give it a couple of minutes. While waiting for the wheel cleaner, let's apply suds on the tires, on the wheels, on the fender underlinings. Let's just go crazy with the foam. Now we move to the rims. With the brush, we help the wheel cleaner break down all the brake dust and the dirt that is embedded on the rims. Now onto the tires. Using a tire brush, just make sure you scrub the tires clean. Yeah, these tires were definitely dirty. Just look how brown the shampoo is. Alright, enough complaining about dirty tires. Quick rinse down. Alright, now we apply shampoo using a foam cannon. The shampoo actually helps in loosening the dirt before the contact wash. And it's advisable not to use shampoos under direct sunlight. In this instance, I was using the shade from the trees, so it was good to go. Alright, the car was then washed using the 2-bucket system. Then we decided to do a chemical decontamination using INR to further break down the contaminants on the paint. And it's very important not to do the chemical decontamination under direct sunlight, and make sure you rinse it off properly. After rinsing off the INR, we further inspected the paint and we discovered that there's more embodied contaminants on the paint. So we decided to use the clay mitt as a mechanical decontamination. If you listen carefully, you can hear the clay mitt grabbing onto the paint. It's supposed to be a slick, smooth movement. Remember to always move in straight lines when cleaning a vehicle. Avoid at all costs moving in circular movements, as that risks getting more marring onto the paintwork. Now we give the car a last rinse down before we start the compounding and polishing steps. Just as I was about to start the compounding, I got a lovely surprise from my courier company. Everyone, welcome to Woki's Auto Detailing. I just received my much awaited delivery from the courier guy. My Shinemate EX620 just arrived in the middle of a detail, Nochal. So yeah man, super excited. I think I'm just gonna whip the machine out and carry on with the detail using the Shinemate. Yeah, I'll give it a nickname. I think I will call it Bentley GT. I actually decided on Bentley Continental. I mean, I was super excited about this. I'd been waiting for this order for quite some time. Oh, hey. What's that, Mape? Bentley Continental GT. Alright, let's get cracking. Okay, let me just zoom in. Maybe you can see there's these spots. Right, so I'm gonna go through with one pass using a Menzena 400 and white rupees cutting pad. Okay, let's zoom in and see. Okay, I don't know if I think it's out of focus. I can focus. Gone. Okay, here's more of those I don't know, I think it's contaminants. There's more of that. And over here, it's all cleaned. Alright, some before and after footage of this particular panel. I'm sure you'll see the difference was actually day and night. This is before one pass with the Bentley Continental GT. This is the after. No swirls, no marring, nothing. Alright, quick review. This is actually the Shinemate EX620, as I said before. This thing is very powerful. Probably the highlight of my year as Boki's auto detailing. The 15mm throw. This thing is very powerful. Packs a punch. Alright, we are nearing the end of the video. Just a quick look at the interior. This is the after shots of the interior. Leather's cleaned and conditioned. No stains removed. So you see the B-pillars are clean, the ceiling is clean. The infamous late chicken. There's our friend over there. Now, if you watched the previous video, I'm sure you'd have heard about the infamous late chicken. There's he there. Alright guys, yeah, the after shots of the car after we're done with the detail. Yeah, just let us know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget, you must just give us a like if you like this type of content, subscribe. You know, it will help us grow as a channel, and if the channel grows, we'll be able to bring you more cars like this. Once again, if you've watched up until now, thank you very much. See you in the Now on the right of the screen, that's the owner. He's yet to pick the car up. All smiles. Alright guys, a quick recap of this detail. It was a deep wash, chemical decontamination, mechanical decontamination, interior detail, delivery of my Bentley Continental GT, yippee, wax, seal, happy client. Yeah guys, and if you enjoy this type of content, once again, just give us a like and a subscribe. This was the last one for the year. Signing out, double danko.